Welcome back to Automobiles Car. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N, a vehicle that's captured the attention of off-road enthusiasts and urban drivers alike. The Mahindra Scorpio N boasts a bold and aggressive stance. It features a muscular front grille, flanked by striking LED headlamps that add a modern touch to its rugged character. The sculpted hood enhances its sporty profile, making a statement on the road. At the front, the prominent Mahindra logo takes center stage, complemented by a robust bumper design that houses integrated fog lamps. The sharp lines and contours not only enhance aesthetics but also contribute to aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the side, the Scorpio N showcases strong character lines that run from the front to the rear. This design element adds dynamism while enhancing its overall silhouette. The wheel arches are pronounced, allowing for larger tires that improve off-road capability and presence. Transitioning to the rear, the Scorpio N features a sculpted tailgate with bold taillights that echo the front's LED theme. The rear bumper is robust, ensuring durability while maintaining a sleek appearance. A roof-mounted spoiler adds a sporty edge to its design. In terms of dimensions, the Scorpio N is larger than its predecessor, providing an imposing presence on the road. Its increased length and width translate to a more stable ride, particularly off-road. The higher ground clearance further enhances its capability to tackle rugged terrains. The color palette for the Scorpio N is diverse, ranging from classic shades to more vibrant hues. Each color enhances the vehicle's rugged appeal, allowing buyers to choose according to their personal style. Performance-wise, the Scorpio N's exterior isn't just for looks. The aggressive design plays a significant role in its performance. With carefully crafted aerodynamics, it minimizes drag while maximizing stability. This is crucial for both highway driving and off-road adventures. In summary, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N stands out with its bold design, muscular stance, and attention to detail. It perfectly blends ruggedness with modern aesthetics, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking adventure. Thanks for watching Automobiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more detailed reviews.